Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, Greenlight Army, Greenlight family. We're tapped in deep now when it comes to the green light, and I'm starting to see a lot of people really start to realize what we have right here. And you can see this by this chart that is safe to say on the 4-hour chart is going parabolic. Okay, this is basically a nice uptick right here that we have. Very solid climb. A lot of projects would wish to have a climb like this, and I'm excited to be a part of this. The people in my private group are excited. I know the community is excited. I was just in the AMA last night to try to get tapped in with the team a little bit, and I advise you guys to do the same when they're having AMAs. If you want to learn more about the project and see what they got going on before you make a move, that'd be one good way to see who's driving this project and whatnot. But last night AMA went awesome. The buys were coming in. The buys are still coming in, as we can tell. This is on the 4-hour chart, and I think it's only fair to start on the 4-hour chart. We're going to bust the times down throughout the video, but we're going to start on the 4-hour chart because that's where we've been starting, and it's only fair to do that. And we're going to identify this all-time high that is right here, and we got the all-time high on Dex tool at 25,907.48. That is epic. That is our all-time high. We crushed the old all-time high. And one thing that I want us to identify right now, and we're going to continue to, help people, because remember, there's a huge crypto adoption going on. Not everybody knows about crypto, let alone also reading charts. And when they see pullbacks, let's help them identify that we're making higher lows. Remember, I drew this line right here that I said we would do something like this, come back after breaking out this resistance on this 9 level to break into erase to 0, we would have a pullback and push up. It didn't happen on the line, but if you notice exactly straight down that line where I said that it would do some type of pullback, you could see it in the chart and how the volume was starting to die down. Look at right here, it was starting to die down. We have this pullback, which all it does helps us identify, and I'm glad that people are noticing this. The bags are filling up, there's new investors coming, the wallet addresses are growing. This is just a higher low. So I want those, again, that are new to this group, to this project, to this community, to also realize that these all-time highs are going to continue to kind of happen. We got a huge event coming April, and right now we have a 0 buy tax. Okay, I don't want you guys to miss out on the 0 buy tax. I loaded up a hefty bag. I got some people in the private groups. We loaded up our bags, and I'm glad we did, because the token already had proved enough. The coin, Greenlight Coin, already had proved enough. And seeing the community, the Telegram's always active, the Twitter, the retweeting, they're staying positive, and it shows. When we do this as a community, it will continue to push. We're leading up to a great catalyst. This NFT week is going to be huge for us, especially with the iconic side of Greenlight Coin and how they're going to have actual utility with our NFTs that are on this project. But right now we're looking at our all-time high, right? We have our all-time high at that 29 or 25.9, so 25,907. And again, we're going to see something that's going to look something similar to this. I don't want people to get shooken out of their spots. You're brave right now to be taking money off the table before this NFT week. And, like the team keeps saying, think bigger, okay? So we're going to think bigger right now, and we're going to see something like this motion again, something like we had in this window right here, where it's going to have a pullback. You can see that by the candlesticks, the candles stepping off the Bollinger Bands. These two baby blue lines, and it has this gap in between. There's this white line that goes down the middle right here. These are the Bollinger Bands. When the candles are on the line is very bullish. We're starting to creep back up on top of this line. When we get back on it, we can hold on top of it. This might even be that pullback. But now what we're going to do is see if we're going to break through this all-time high. And this is how we're going to layer the chart to test the momentum and the trend. Always trade with the trend. The trend is your friend, right? Actually, I think we can keep it blowing up, and we can just change the time. So we're going to go down to the 2-hour chart. We see the volume starting to pick right back up. We had a crossover on the 2-hour chart, right? Where it looks like it's going to pull back. Again, when we do this, this is sideways trading. It's consolidation. Higher low. Even this technically is a higher low than this low. So the chart is even still healthy when it looks like we're going sideways. If you notice, that red is still higher than this one. This is even this red candle is a higher low than these right here. And this one is lower than this one. So even this one is slightly higher than this one. This helps us identify that we are still in a bullish trend. We go down to the hour chart. And this is where I got excited, because I seen a big buy step in. Congrats to whoever stepped in and grabbed yourself a bag of Greenlight Coin. This is going to continue to push. We could possibly see something 5 cents, 9 cents pretty soon, and we keep pushing together. We're going parabolic when Bitcoin and everything else was red. So now that the markets are starting to pick back up, you compound that with the buys that we're already having, plus the BNB side of things start to pick up. That's going to help Greenlight Coin go up as well. The minute BNB starts to rise, we're tied to BNB. It's going to help rise. And here we go. We break it down to the 30-minute chart, and we have the crossover on the MACD. We have a bullish candle on the opposite side, on the top side. This is helping us identify that we're about to pick right back up, and we're about to break these all-time highs. They look like they're about to get broken all over again. And we're right at that roof level. But look at this kink right here on this pink line when it's going over. Granted, we're on the 1 hour chart. We're going to keep working our way down, and it's looking like we want to bust out. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Right, we were right there. That's a crossover. That's that one line over, and then the 15-minute was next. Okay, and we got clear indication of the pink line pulling away from the white one. So this is a bullish trend right here happening. It's starting to pick up little by little. You layer it like this, and we see that we're fighting at this line. The minute a buy comes through and we break that psychological barrier, that all-time high, it starts to flow all over again. That's just how it works, okay? So we're going to go back to the 30-minute chart. Look at it. We're tapping that line right there. I like that on the 30-minute chart. We have the pink crossing over that. So I can see us next hour or so, next couple buys that come in. The buys are still coming in, and we're creating a lot of hype. And this is not artificial hype. We have a real utility right here with this coin. And we have utility with the NFTs coming, and we're going to be, the team's going to be rubbing elbows with some big people over at that NFT week. Make sure you're tapped in with the team. I have all the official links down below in the description. But let's see a break over this all-time high, and we'll adjust possibly going up to this 3 cents, 3.5. That's crazy, but it's very doable. Even today, it's very, very doable. We can keep pushing right now. Let's keep our foot on the gas. I'm calling the community to load up the comments. We're having results from it, so why stop? Let's just keep doing what we're doing. And if you guys can't do that, at the very least, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.